Ever been warned that knuckle cracking causes arthritis? Let's clear the air. Studies show no link between cracking knuckles and arthritis risk. A study published in the Journal of the American Board of Family Medicine found that habitual knuckle cracking was not associated with an increased risk of arthritis. Knuckle cracking is actually the result of gas bubbles bursting within the synovial fluid that lubricates our joints. It's a bit like creating a mini vacuum in the fluid. So go ahead, crack away without worry. Stay informed, stay healthy. Like and subscribe for more facts.